Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Brahmana means 1 2-piece thread, that's all. But that is not Brahmana. Brahmana means samodamodhidikha. These are the symptoms. Similarly, Mahatma does not mean a dress, but people have taken advantage of this dress, Beso Pujibi. In India still, although poverty is still, if a person simply by dressing in saffron cloth goes to a village, he has no problem. Everyone will call him, invite him, give him shelter, give him food. Still, Mataji aaiye, prasad dijiye. Everyone will come. People have taken advantage of it, without any education, without any undertaking, to solving economic problems. Here also in Vrindavan you find so many people have come here because there are many satras. You can get free chapati, dal. You'll find in the morning so many receptors. They have come to Vrindavan just to for the bread and dal. And they collect and they exchange, they purchase bidi. So everything, everything is being misused. But Shastra has given us direction. Who is Brahmana, who is Mahatma. Here one type of Mahatma is giving Mahantaste Samatitya. They are equal. Brahma Bhuta Prasannatma. Samas Sarvesu Bhuteshu. That is Mahatma. He has realized, Brahma realized. So he has no discrimination. Either man to man or man to animal. Siddhamina Sampanne Brahmani Gavi Hachini Suniteta Sapati. Pandita Samandas. Pandita does not mean one who has got degree. Pandita means Samajitta. That is Samajitta. Janaka Pandit has also said that Matrivat Paradayareshu, Paradapeshu, Lostava, Atmavat Sadhubhuteshu, Japasati Sapandita. He is Pandit. Otherwise it has Matrivat Paradayareshu. As soon as you see one woman accept your married wife, you immediately address as Mother. This is Pandit. This is Pandit. Not that talking fish with other servants. This is rascal. Matrivat Paradayareshu, Paradapeshu Lostava, not to touch others' property. It's garbage. Nobody touches. But people are so unfortunate. I have seen in Hong Kong, they are picking out some food from the garbage, like dog. I have seen somebody throws away some food stuff and that is collected. People are so unfortunate. So, garbage nobody touches. But one has to pick out some paper, some, pieces of cloth, they make some business. And the garbage is untouchable. But in the Kali Yuga, the people are so unfortunate that they pick out from garbage also something bad. Anyway, Mahatma, these are the symptoms. Samachitya, they have no such thing. Here is Hindu, here is Musalman, here is rich man, here is poor man. No, he is kind to everyone. That is godly qualification.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.